Up for sale, I have a 1947 Chrysler New Yorker coupe, finished in tan with factory interior, an all factory car. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up and then drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to see more. Thank you. Like I said, 47 New Yorker coupe. Let me just go ahead and say the body lines, the contour on the car with this big sweeping edge down there, that's beautiful. That design, how the door kind of curves, this is really cool. The post that comes back, really cool. Anyway, it's an older frame-off restoration. The underneath is beautiful. The frame is beautiful. Since the time, it probably hasn't seen the road too much, but in its time, you know, a couple stone chips here and there. So we're going to walk around it. Like I said, I'm going to point out what I do see. So to start it off, a couple little touch-ups right there on the front. And I'm sure chrome on this car isn't too easy to find. So here's some pitting on this. And actually, this chrome piece is damaged. A little crack in there. A little bit more pitting. However, this one's nice, so maybe they found that one. This one looks to be original. The car does show low miles. Now, whether or not it is low miles, I don't know. It shows 65,000. You know, I've been underneath the car. It looks like it could be. It looks like it very well could be, but I don't know. Again, it looks to be an all-steel body, beautiful condition, very straight. When this was restored and they did it right. Nice front bumper. I like these little pegs. Beautiful design. Again, this is a very pretty car. And again, the same thing goes here. A little bit of pitting, not too much. A little bit of pitting. So again, I probably have to assume that those two outer ones were replaced. Trying to think. Again, a couple touch-ups along the hood. It is the original straight 8 and the fluid drive transmission, so I believe it's actually a semi-automatic, but it is the fluid drive, so it's the factory motor and trans for the car. Factory hubcaps, Firestone white walls, give it a great look. There's another little touch-up down there, little chip down there. So, and I'm always a fan of those on some of these old school cars. According to the owner we bought it from, it is 95% original, 5% being the Auga horn he put on it, and maybe that's it. Oh, there's an electric fuel pump. So aid the process of getting the fuel to the carburetor. Only a good upgrade there. Nice door jamb. And all factory interior. I just had some guy walk by. He said, "Oh, it's ugly." I said, "It's original. What do you want?" Love it this way. I'd rather have original than something chopped up and molested. Again, not a molested car. There you go. There's the factory interior. Little Scottish print. It has turn signals, fluid drive, so probably the original steering wheel. And the dash is nice. It is missing this, which I believe is the radio. There you can see the 64,943 miles. Runs like a top, drives like a top. The car is reliable enough to get in it and go whenever you want, and not have to worry about anything going wrong. Headliner, beautiful condition. No rips, no tears. I have a little bit of cloth material for the interior. That's included. You know, if something goes wrong, you cut it, you tear it. I got material. I keep saying material for the interior to go along with the car. A couple little marks on the paint here. A few like little miscellaneous guys there. You can see how straight this panel is. I can't even like get a good, there's too many curves. I mean, being underneath the car, you see this entire section, it's all steel. On both sides you see that, so that's kind of cool to see. Rear bumper's nice. A little peel right there on the chrome though. Bumper's good. A little peel right there. Bumper's got a little mark right there, a little ding. This pillar's nice, a little pit right there. And nice there. You know, another little stone chip. Again, like I said, a couple of stone chips throughout. It is an older restoration, but it doesn't look like it has seen too much driving. Pop the trunk open. Super solid and clean. Nice under hood too, under trunk hood, trunk lid. Fluid drive. Trunk fitment's really nice. All the lines. There are multiple stone chips on this line. The gentleman said he has a cabinet in the garage and the wife would open the door and bump it. So every time they pulled in at a different length into the garage, he bumped a little different area. So from about here to here, there's numerous stone chips. They could be touched up, they could be blended. It seems like a pretty easy color to blend if you wanted to. Unfortunately, there's a crack in the glass here. But other than that, the glass is excellent. And you know what I'm noticing right here on this drip line? There's a couple little chips. It looks like a little rusty water stain. You can probably see that. And then right about here too. There is no. But I mean, the drip trays in general are nice. Again, factory interior. Original. So, like I said, 1947 Chrysler New Yorker coupe with the reverse post, straight 8. Top of the car's nice. Fluid drive transmission. We'll fire it up here soon. I'll pop the hood open. You can check out the motor in the compartment. Oh, I did miss one thing. Right down here, there's a little about 4-inch crack. So that's about the only thing that's coming through in the time that it's been restored. Other than that, like I said, just a couple miscellaneous chips. Touch up. A couple more touch-ups right there. So thanks for watching. We are going to fire it up now. Yeah. Alright, here we are. Here's the straight 8 motor. You see it's got the Spitfire on there, very factory correct engine compartment. A little undercoating underneath the hood. And you see the intake manifold down there. So we'll fire it up now. You can hear the electric fuel pump going. I'm going to give him the thumbs up. And you see the trim tag over there.